Today, as organizations are adapting to a hybrid workforce, employees are accessing corporate apps from all types of devices. In fact, according to the Gartner 2021 Planning Guide for Security and Risk Management, with a great many people working from home as a result of the pandemic, many organizations have had to change their IT security paradigms. Enterprises have scaled out their mobile devices, their allowance of unmanaged devices, and their remote access infrastructures. In order to achieve zero trust, as apps and data are moving to the cloud, we have to assume that no user or device is trustworthy unless proven otherwise. But the challenge to getting there today is a patchwork of disparate solutions with rudimentary on-off controls which are not sufficient. Lookout Continuous Conditional Access integrates the security and access platform by providing a detailed ongoing risk assessment of endpoints and users. This information can be applied to very granular access controls as opposed to a simple yes-no access decision that ensures business continues securely. In this video demonstration of continuous conditional access by Lookout, you can see how sensitive data can only be accessed by devices when the Lookout app verifies that there are no threats present on the device. We show you this demonstration using Lookout CASB MES console and the Lookout mobile app. Here in the Lookout CASB console, we will show you the admin experience. First, navigate to Administration, Enterprise Integration. Click on Endpoint Protection. Here we have configured the Lookout Enterprise Security Integration by adding things like name, API key, tenant ID to set up the connection. Next, you will navigate to Administration, Protect, Device Management. Click on Lookout MES. Here, you will see the list of all the devices from the MES console, their threat status, platform, and the time the event occurred on the device as an audit trail. Now, we can go ahead and set up some policies for the apps that you care about. We will show you a demonstration of cloud authentication policy of some popular apps that you care about, like Salesforce. First, you can go ahead and select a name for the policy. We call it Deny Sensitive Data Download. Click Next. Here, you can set up things like activity. So we can go ahead and set up a login based policy. And under context rules, you can click on device profile, context. Here you would click on threat status, and this indicates the threat levels that are coming from the Lookout mobile client. So here you can say that I would deny access to corporate data if there is a medium or a high risk which is present on that device. Once you have this selected, you can go ahead and save this policy. This concludes the admin experience part of the demo. Now, let's take a look at the end user experience. Here we have an employee of the company who is trying to access the Salesforce application. We see that there is a Lookout app which is present on the device. Let's open the Lookout app. We notice that the Lookout app which is running on the device has detected some viruses as well as some risk squares which is present on this particular device. Now let's see what happens if the employee tries to access Salesforce with the Lookout detected that there are threats present on the device. First, the employee is asked to log in via Okta. We are seeing a notification which says to protect your corporate data, we have to make sure that Lookout for Work is running and that the device is secure. So let's see what happens here. We open the Lookout for Work app. This is coming from Lookout for Work. We are seeing a message which says that there is a high risk threat which is detected on this particular device. So access to corporate data has been blocked. So we have to open the Lookout Security app, follow the remediation instructions in order to regain access. So we click on Resolve Now, which brings us to the Lookout for Work app. I go ahead and I will remove the threat that is present on the device. Now that we have resolved the issue, let's take a look at this device in the MES console. As you can see, the status of the device has changed to secured, and we go ahead and take a look at the same device back in the Lookout CASB console. As you can see here, we have an audit trail of that particular device, and we can see that we have received a new event which shows that this device is now in a secured state. With the issue resolved on the device, now the user can go ahead and try connecting back to Salesforce. In conclusion, now that Lookout has integrated our mobile security solution with CASB and ZTNA, Lookout helps you achieve your zero trust strategy by ensuring you can continuously assess risk on endpoints. Thank you.